Want to access your Bybit Web3 wallet on MetaMask? I'll show you how to transfer your private key safely and easily. First, open the Bybit app and go to the Web3 wallet section. Find the wallet you want to export, then choose Manage Wallets. Tap on Private Key, enter your device password, and reveal your key. Be careful. This private key is sensitive info. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Next, open your MetaMask app or browser extension. Click the account icon and select Import Account. Choose Private Key as the method, paste the key you copied from Bybit, and tap Import. That's it. Now you can use your Bybit wallet right from MetaMask. Remember, your private key is the key to your crypto, so never share it with anyone and store it securely. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more easy crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.